What up, people? Thank you for joining me today. Influence here. And I have the last item I ordered from Temu, which is Make Toys Utopia. Right here in this bag.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influence's interest on YouTube.
Now you know this ain't Make Toys Utopia. What is it? It is a bagless, a boxless KO of, y'all probably know, G1 Metroplex.
Subscribe.
Cheap KO, feels cheap. Doesn't even feel as good as my other KO of this I have that I got from AliExpress. No doubt. But I mean, it is something. I don't know if it's worth the $38, but I guess it's not worth the $38 to me. Just to say that it's not worth it. Not worth it to me. I'll show the listing here so other people know not to buy anything. What's weird is, let me double check, but I think like he has a bunch of listings. I'm looking now. He has a bunch of listings, other listings that seem to be okay, except for this. the deformation. I have this thing and it's not even worth $22. I have no clue why it's $245. So that is wild. The rest of the stuff on his page seems to be legit. And it's what it is. I don't know if they're using AI to figure this stuff out. If they just don't know, they got to know Utopia is not the same as this, though. So I'm not going to shoot them any bail. But some of the stuff is weird. Like I said, I don't know if they're using AI to figure out what the prices should be. I don't know if they're using AI to figure out the pictures. See, like here is, oh no, this is G1 Scorponok. I thought this was the KO Scorponok. That's $76. I don't know how much a G1, sure it's a KO Scorponok is. But in any respect, yeah, I can't respect that because they have the pictures of Utopia. You can tell Utopia is not G1 Metroplex. It's not even trying to be. Even if it was Masterpiece, I mean, it is Masterpiece kind of, but it's not like looking like G1 as most people want Masterpiece to look. This will probably be the last Temu video because I'm not going to order from there no more. Unless it's like rock solid and there's reviews and they're past in some of the Facebook groups. People say like, this is all right. I got this product. I ordered this from this and got it. So unless I see that, I'm not ordering from Temu anymore for Transformers. I'll stick to AliExpress. Now, I've gotten good stuff from Temu. It's funny because I just left a comment. I said, or responded to a comment. I said, somebody said they never had a problem with AliExpress and they've ordered from Temu and gotten their stuff. And I said, yeah, I never had a problem with AliExpress for Transformers. And I only had a problem with Temu for Transformers. Because everything else I order on Temu, I know what to expect. That's not going to be like crazy up to some type of crazy quality. However, the prices, you got to mitigate your expectations. Even ordering this, I knew it wasn't Make Toys Utopia. Just for the simple fact that that figure is no longer being sold. When it came out regular, it was probably like $3 something, I think, maybe more than that. But now you can't even find it. If you're gonna find it, it's gonna be way more than what the $38 or whatever they're asking for. But yeah, so I'll get up with y'all in another video. Hopefully I have a review soon. It's been short. Well, I actually have that the Predacon dive bomb, the Legends KO or whatever it is. I actually have that, but I haven't really messed with it. I opened it up and couldn't get the wings on it. Like I could not figure out for the life of me, so I just put it away. But I'm planning on doing a review on that. I don't know what else I have coming or that's going to be, because right now it's just slim pickings. I haven't bought anything. Yeah, so it is what it is. It'll be some other videos, but I don't know when the next review video will be. All right, so thanks for watching again. Peace.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.